Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and create yourself a Comcast email account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, now we'll step into our video. For the matter, the very first step would be for you to go ahead access your browser on your mobile phone itself, and once you have done so, you're gonna go to your search bar and simply type in xfinity.com or login xfinity.com. Once you have done so, you're gonna land on this official website of Xfinity, where it asks for you to enter your email address, your credentials for you to get into your existing account. If you want to create a new one, we're gonna go ahead, swipe down, and this option called create a new Xfinity ID for you to or create your email. Go ahead, tap on it. Now it asks for you to provide two of the options: mobile phone number, social security number, whichever one you are comfortable with. Tap on this continue once you have chose so, and then it will ask for you to enter your mobile number. You're gonna go ahead and enter the mobile number as the example has shows is the 10 numbers with including country code. Once you have done so, tap on this continue. You will get a code from Xfinity itself. Once you have entered so, you're gonna create yourself an email, you're gonna create yourself a password, and you will be done. That's the way. Simply gonna go ahead, follow at the prompts given by Xfinity itself, and you will be able to create yourself a Comcast email. So this will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.